ready to ditch your wallet and pay with a flick of your wrist. Today, we're diving into how to set up and use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra. First, grab your iPhone and open the Watch app. It's the one with the little Apple Watch icon on a black background. Scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay and tap on it. If you've already got cards set up on your iPhone, you'll see them listed here. If you don't have any cards or want to add a new one specifically for your watch, tap Add Card. You can either manually enter your card details, or the easiest way is to use your iPhone's camera to scan your card. Line up the card within the frame on the screen. Your bank will then verify your card. This might involve entering a security code sent via text or email, so keep an eye on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification. Once your card is activated, double-click the side button on your Apple Watch Ultra. This will bring up your default Apple Pay card. If you have multiple cards, swipe left or right on the watch face to choose the one you want to use. Hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal until you feel a gentle tap and hear a beep. A check mark will appear on your watch face when the payment is complete. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy the convenience and security of Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra.